Here are 35 sentences about the culinary history of Tennessee. Tennessee is home to a rich and diverse culinary history that reflects its complex cultural heritage. The state's strategic location at the crossroads of the Appalachian region, the Mississippi River Delta, and the Great Plains made it an important hub for trade and migration. As a result, various cultures and cuisines blended together, creating a unique Tennessee food identity. One of the earliest influences on Tennessee cuisine was Native American cooking, with tribes like the Chickasaw and Cherokee traditionally eating foods like wild game, cornmeal mush, and smoked fish. European settlers, particularly Scots-Irish and English, brought their own culinary traditions to the state, including bread making, dairy farming, and preserved meats. The impact of slavery on Tennessee cuisine cannot be overstated, with enslaved Africans introducing crops like cotton, sugarcane, and okra that became integral to the state's agricultural economy. The region's fertile soil and mild climate made it an ideal place for growing corn, wheat, and other grains, which were staples in many African American households. Okra, a protein-rich legume commonly eaten by enslaved women, was also introduced from Africa and eventually became a key ingredient in Southern cooking. Appalachian cuisine is distinct from the rest of Tennessee's food culture, with its emphasis on cornbread, beans, and game meats like venison and rabbit. The region's proximity to the Great Smoky Mountains made it an ideal place for hunting and foraging, which contributed to the local availability of wild foods like berries, mushrooms, and herbs. Barbecue is another Tennessee staple, with the state claiming its own distinct style of Memphis-style barbecue. Tennessee's proximity to the Mississippi River also played a significant role in shaping its cuisine, particularly when it came to trade with other southern states and the Gulf Coast region. The port city of Memphis became an important hub for trade and commerce, introducing new ingredients like rice, molasses, and spices from the Caribbean and Europe. These international influences can be seen in traditional dishes like gumbo and jambalaya, which have become staples of Tennessee cuisine. As immigrants arrived in Tennessee over the centuries, they brought their own culinary traditions with them. German settlers, for example, introduced sausages like andouille to the region, while Irish immigrants popularized potatoes as a staple food source. The arrival of Eastern European Jews in the late 19th century also had an impact on Tennessee's cuisine, particularly when it came to the spread of bagels, rye bread, and other Jewish delicacies. Tennessee is famous for its music scene, but it's equally celebrated for its festivals and events that showcase local food traditions. The Memphis Barbecue Festival and the Nashville Food Plus Wine Classic are two notable examples of events that celebrate Tennessee's culinary heritage. Smoky Mountain Trout House is a popular restaurant chain known for its trout dishes made with locally caught fish from the Great Smoky Mountains. Tennessee's music scene has also influenced its cuisine, particularly in terms of blues and country-inspired cooking. Music legends like Elvis Presley and Johnny Cash are often associated with classic Southern comfort foods like fried peanut butter and banana sandwiches. Tennessee's food culture is not only a source of pride but also a symbol of resilience, bringing people together at festivals, family gatherings, and celebrations of heritage. From the blues to country music, Tennessee's culinary history has been shaped by its unique cultural landscape. Today, visitors from across the United States come to experience the authentic flavors of this incredible state.